If someone were to say that 2020 was the year of the teacher, it would not be because they are ignoring the heroic actions of the all the other first responders, but it would be instead to say that this is a time when some parents actually discovered that their teachers, their children's teachers, were not actually babysitters. For many parents, they also discovered, some, that they could not do proper or improper fractions, nor could they conjugate a verb and a noun in the same word. Others couldn't figure out where the hell Canada is on the map to help their children with their homework. Meanwhile, the politicians who are always bad mouthing teachers from getting any raise of pay, they lock down churches and places of voting, but opened up liquor stores and the gun shops. Our president, the politicians around our president, also actually fluffed up the president's feathers when he actually toyed with the idea of injecting bleach as a way of conquering the coronavirus plaguing us. At the same time, while all this was going on, teachers were busy turning on a minute's notice to switching from classroom teaching to virtual teaching, something that they did not know before, but now they had to quickly learn it themselves and actually got ready to teach it using it as a medium. This was no easy feat, nothing short of building a plane while flying it. If you are where you are and who you are because of where you are, I'm going to say to you, thank a teacher, any teacher. You will be glad you did. Thank you for watching. This is Wake Up and Live with Bob.